I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Like something I felt, my mind overwhelmed. I think that I'm broken but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel more worthless. Baby you make me feel nervous. If I still have you I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
엄마 한번 드셔봐.
먹어보라고?
예.
사유도 먹어.
네.
딸내미도 먹고. 먹는다.
네.
맛있겠다. 맛있어. 사이가 잘 곱다. 고기를 아니고. 우리 또 사이.
사이 더 익으니까 찔겨.
그래? 그래도 이렇게 오래간만에 사이가 딸내미랑 해먹고 이렇게 콩가루 와가지고
너무 재밌고 좋아.
별로 재밌어요.
사이 맛있어 곱창?
네, 맛있어요. 네, 잘 먹겠습니다. 정말 나 밥이 너무 많다. 이렇게 많이.
쌍 먹고 가야지. 이제 밥 먹자. 밥이 잘못돼요. 내가 압력밥솥이 아니라. 군대 건져도 먹고 이거 나무 버리고
네.
갈 거예요.
나도 오빠를 버리고 갈게.
나 여기 살아?
은주야 여기 어디지?
여기 강화도.
강화도야?
엄마 이제 구독자분들한테 인사. 여기 카메라 보고 여기.
아이고 오늘 저기 사위하고 딸하고 강화도로 휴가 왔어요.
어이구.
그래가지고 사위가 고기를 맛있게 구워줘서 아주 맛있게 먹었어요.
아유 그러셨어.
딸님이도 맛있게 먹었어? 아이고 우리 사위 참 착해요.
예, 우리 구독자분들한테 인사하자.
네.
다음 시간까지 건강하게 안녕히
안녕히
계세요.
계세요. 구독자분들 안녕히 계세요.
네, 안녕히
올라갈게요.
계세요. 엄마 이제 가자. 재밌게 쉬셨어?
잘 쉬었어. 아들, 딸 사이가 다 있어가지고 엄마가 더 좋아.
예.
엄마 여기 타?